Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Zoho Books, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your PayPal to your Zoho book? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link or connect your PayPal to your Zoho Books anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that having various payment options for your customers can help keep invoices up to date. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho Books account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged it into my account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your PayPal to your Zoho book, you're going to want to go ahead and click on this gear icon here on the top right. Once you do that, it's going to open up the settings for your Zoho Books, and you want to look for this section here called Online Payment, and go ahead and click on Customer Payments. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the different payment options available to your customers, but you want to click on this button here on the left called PayPal. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on this blue Setup Now button. Okay, once you do that, PayPal is going to open up a browser asking you to go ahead and log into your PayPal account. So you want to use the email address that's associated with your PayPal account. After you do that, go ahead and click on Next. Okay, once you do that, PayPal does ask you to use your password. This is going to be the password to your PayPal account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter mine in off screen. Okay, next, PayPal is going to warn you that Zoho is asking for permission to connect your PayPal account to your Zoho book. If you're okay with that, click on Allow. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see you're all set. So now my PayPal is linked to my Zoho account. So let me go ahead and click on Return to Zoho. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see on the customer payments here on PayPal, it says active. It also shows my merchant ID. And then next to the PayPal logo, it should say enabled. So now I can go ahead and accept payments through PayPal directly from my invoices in Zoho Books. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your PayPal account to your Zoho Books, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.